Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abscond. 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 Abscond is a verb that means to leave hurriedly and secretly, typically to avoid detection or arrest. It implies leaving without permission or without notifying others. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The prisoner managed to abscond from the jail during the chaos of the riot. Why abscond use in example number 1? In this example, abscond is used to describe the prisoner's action of leaving the jail secretly and without permission to escape during the riot. Example number 2. She absconded from her obligations to testify in court, leading to legal consequences. Why abscond use in example number 2? Abscond is used to indicate her act of avoiding her legal obligations, which resulted in legal consequences. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.